Whew, boy, if we don't call this a busy day, then I don't know what is. Made this an episode, Chronicles of Dr. Dust. But yeah, making our way to the first property. Shout out to my boss Samir, my guy. London's sunny then cold, you know how it is. So the property started cracking on and we got straight to work, filming some content. She like doing content, so I'm trying to get my team into it more. Really 50-50, because some of my team love being on camera, but some are proper camera shy. I think I'm so grateful for the relationship with my team. I really love every single one of them. Making me emotional, but back to the cleaning. To that, we were done, and I just recorded what we did. Make sure Dr. Dust Cleaning rings in your mind when you look for a cleaning company.
They not like us.
Woo, that video was good. Then after that, we had some Vapianos. You can't go wrong with it. I had to film the scenery. It was too good. Talk about scenery there. Shout out to my creative director. He's done and dusted. See what I did there? Have a good one.